Hola, buongiorno, mi amore. Tomando mi espresso, vamos a hacer una pizza. We are going to make one pizza, but Italians will because this pizza is going to be my chef style and also gluten-free because I'm following now an experiment. I'm doing 1 month absolutely gluten-free. No, I'm not intolerant. I have no problem with gluten. It is just an experiment how is to live 1 month without gluten. So we are going to make this pizza from zero with all the ingredients and let's see what we got. So we have a mixture of mozzarella and Adana cheese. We have these peeled tomatoes, pepper, oregano, the gluten-free flour. The most important is the yeast, fresh yeast, salt, baking powder, sugar, tuna, ham, onion, green pepper, carrot, manchego cheese, tomato, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and olives. So first of all, I have to tell you that a gluten-free product will be never the same as a product which contains gluten, especially which is based on gluten. So don't expect to have an exactly same process and an exactly same result with the gluten-free flour and the gluten flour. So therefore we are going to add some baking powder as well into our dough, a part of the normal yeast, and we are going to make the process a tiny bit different. And let's start it with the dough. Let's take a bowl, let's take our weight. So we choose to turn on 0 and first add 600 grams of water, which is approximately same as 600 gram, 25 gram of fresh yeast. And of course we are going to prefer room temperature water, not cold water. And always extra virgin olive oil in Mediterranean cuisine. 50 milliliter of extra virgin olive oil. And we add approximately 10 gram of salt. Have it salt enough. And let's go to 0. 450 gram of gluten-free flour. Very easy, right? Let's remove this and work together. Gently movements with our hand. Let's work well the dough. You feel the product. This is why you use your hands to feel the food, to give soul to the food. Until we get an even texture. So when we had to work enough our dough, we have a nice homogeneous pizza starting to have some bubbles. Let's rest it for half an hour. Okay, so for the tomato sauce, I used onion, oregano, some vinegar and brown sugar, and I'm cooking here 30 minutes with the lid. And then it also has some garlic. So I already pre-cut the ingredients. We have onion, tuna, halved olives. Here is the cheese mix, and this is for my special Iberian pizza. Manchego cheese, vegetables, carrot, pepper, tomato, and some ham. So let's do this on tomato sauce. Okay, so the tomato we don't need to cook for a long, like 20 minutes to get the onion and the garlic cooked. And then we are going to blend it with these ingredients all together. We are going to get a nice tomato sauce, which gives a good base for our pizza to have it delicious enough. Blend it properly. Let's give it a taste. If is it salty enough, if is it sour enough, if is it sweet enough. And this is how it should look. Let's preheat the oven from the bottom and from the top, this section, and 210 degrees Celsius. Let's take a parchment paper, a baking sheet, extend and flour it. Use the same flour. And when we have the dough fermented, we're also going to use a good amount of flour, because this dough is really thin, is really sticky, is really soft, so we always need to use a lot of flour to don't stick it, to can handle it. And when we have it floured enough, start to give it a shape on the surface with our hands, extend it by little, trying to have it round. Let's put on a baking tray, because we have a house oven, of course, not a pizza oven, and spread it with our tomato sauce. Spread it evenly. Like this is the correct quantity, and a lot of cheese. Then we put the ingredients after each one, properly extended, properly spread with the whole pizza. Put the pepper, everything, and put in the oven. Let's go with the second pizza. We take a nice amount of dough and extend with the hands, the same process as before. The tomato sauce again, the correct amount of tomato sauce, not too much, not too less, just right enough. If you put too less, the pizza can be dry. If you put too much, the pizza can be too wet. A good amount of cheese again. I love cheese, how about you? And the ingredients, the tuna, the olives, and the onion. The classic tuna and onion pizza. Tonno y cipolla. And olives. Olives has a nice flavor and meaty texture, is salty. And if you find some excess of flour, you can remove, or with the brush if you have, or with a paper napkin. And we have the first pizza ready. Look at this nicely toasted top. Fresh crunchy dough. Looks delicious. Let's give it a spin. And the second one is also ready. It's removed from our tray. And this is how it looks. Looks tempting. Just like an artisanal pizza. I tell you something, guys. If I don't say it's gluten-free, you will never realize it's gluten-free. This is just like normal. And this is how I taste it. Bellissimo. Okay, amigos, for me, it's time to enjoy this wonderful pizza. And if you want to repeat this recipe, you also can enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel to follow all of my recipes if you like them, because I'm coming out with every time with something delicious. And now this is for me. Yum, yum, yum. Adios. Goodbye. Arrivederci.